Jinan ACME CNC Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2016 and is a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales of laser cutting equipment. Based on customer needs, ACME Laser focuses on the R&D and production of laser pipe cutting machines, providing customers around the world with intelligent integrated solutions for laser pipe processing. Our production base in Jinan, with dozens of high-precision imported CNC machining centers and large-scale gantry milling machines, it realizes independent research and development design and high-precision manufacturing of the core components of the cutting machine. Our team has core advantages in the field of laser tube cutting. We have obtained more than 12 product and technology patents. The company has passed ISO 9001 and GB 2T9490 certification. We have a number of scientific research results. ACME Laser High-Efficiency Customer Service Team, including professional teams such as pre-sale service, in-sale service, after-sale service, customer training, etc., from technical process consultation, incoming proofing reception, installation and commissioning, and free customers in terms of personnel induction training, equipment maintenance and repair, etc. We provide 24-hour all-around quick response services. Our featured product laser pipe cutting machine is widely used in sports equipment, automobile manufacturing, steel and wood furniture, medical equipment, architectural decoration, mechanical equipment, electrical equipment, elevator equipment, and other fields. Thanks to the good customer reputation and the continuous improvement of products, and moving towards the goal of becoming a global leading laser tube cutting machine manufacturer,